All right. Now let's have our review session. So I have here sets of questions na ato anong na discussed this past few weeks, no. So mag-review lang sa ata since the examination is near. Sige, so start with, okay, let's answer this the first question now. Joey is outside looking at the pigs and chickens in the yard. Mary is indoors and cannot see the animals. Joey gives her a puzzle. Now he tells her that he counts 13 heads on 36 feet, and asks her how many pigs and how many chickens are in the yard. Now, let's try to help Mary find the answer. No, galisod-lisod lang sila sa ilang kinabuhi. Nga, pwede naman ta siya magawas. Pero kadi man daw pwede si Mary. So, sige, ato siyang tabangan. Alright. To start with, no? So, kailangan hindi taog ka ng number. So, this would apply our guess and check na problem, right? So, may tabuan niya, no? May tatag factors. Okay. Tawagon nato na siya og factors or number na kung ato siya i-add, ang result is 13. Okay? So, daghan kayo numbers, no? So, let's have 10 plus 3. Pwede po 5 plus 8, diba? Huh? So, yes, so we have the 5 and this is 8. So, this is 8. Okay. Now, sige, ato na sa siyang try-tryan, no? Kay, kanang, taas-taas pa man sad, no? Pangitaon na to siya ang, kanang, asa ni mapadulong ang kaning 36 feet. Okay. So, we have the pigs man, di ba? Pigs o kanang chicken. Okay. And dapat, ang ilang tiil, total ana, that is 36. Now, we know that pig has 2 feet. 2 feet. Pigs have 4 feet and chicken have 2 feet. Okay. Duha ay tiil. Okay. Now, let's try first. Kani siyang 10 plus 3. Okay. So, we will try 10 times 4, which is the pig, plus the kaning 3. Yung first guess na ito nga 3, at saka 2. So, this would be, so this is 40, and this is 6, right? So, this become 46. Okay, so dili gyapon siya 36, so medyo higher siya. So dili ta sa medyo gamay, which is 5 and the 8. Okay, let's try 5 times 4, which is the 4 feet of the pig, and 8. Okay, this is 8 times 2. Okay. Now, this is 5 times 4. This is 20. So, 20. Tanong natin doon. 20 plus 8 times 2. This is 16, right? So, this will become 36. Diba? So, meaning, no, nakuha na nato siya, no, ang ihang condition in which kung ato siya i-add ang pigs and chicken, which is 5 and 8, that would be 13 heads, diba? Dayon, kung kwaon na to, pila ang ilang tiil in total. So, we have 20 from the pigs and 16 for the chicken. So, total of that would be, we have 36. So, therefore, there are Okay, 5 pigs and 8 chicken. Sa kay mabasa na siya. Okay, therefore, there are 5 pigs and 8 chicken. So, natabangan na nato si Mary. Diba? Okay, sige. Okay, sa atong sunod nga problem, no? So, I know atoan na ni siyang na discussed, no? And this is found on your module 5. Alright, so this kind of strategy, no, we will use the working backwards. Okay, again, working backwards. When we say working backwards, mag-una ta sa loyo. Okay, or at the bottom. Okay, so let's just read first the problem. Now, 4 students in the class weighed themselves. And then, Carter was 15 kilograms lighter than Adrian. Gary was twice as heavy as Carter, and Jeremy was 7 kilograms heavier than Gary. Now, if Jeremy weighed 71 kilograms, now what was Adrian's weight? Okay, so pangitao na to ang timbang ni Adrian. So, start with, no, darita sa kung sa iyang gihatag, which is ang naa sa Rio. Okay? So, Jeremy weighed 71 kilograms. So, let's just say J is Jeremy, ha? So, this is 71 kilograms. Okay. Now, susunod, no? The next one, we have this phrase. Okay, Jeremy was 7 kilograms heavier than Gary. Okay, so meaning, we have the Jeremy naman, diba? So, si Gary nasa atong pangitaan o atimbang. Okay, ano siya? Jeremy was 7 kilograms heavier than Gary. So, meaning, kasi bugat si Jeremy. So, bugat siya by 7 kilograms. But kabuno naman to siyang timbang. So, unsa tong expected timbang ni Gary? So, meaning, mas gamay kaysa kang Jeremy. Since bugat man si Jeremy kaysa kang Gary, di ba? So, ang hitabo, this is 71, di ba? 71, si Jeremy, aton lang dayon siyang minusan og 7 kay mo man ilahang difference. So, this would become 64 kilogram. Again, 71 minus 7, that's 64. Okay, sunod. Let's use different color. Okay. Sige. The next one is Gary was twice as heavy as Carter. So, kinsa atong mas bugat ang nilo? Diba? Gary man daw was twice as heavy as Carter. So, meaning, mas bugat si Gary. Okay. Which is 64 si Gary. Now, twice as heavy man sa kang Carter. So, ang expected nga result for Carter, gamay kaysa kang Gary. So, itong haton, ato siyang divide. So, we have to divide it by 2. Then, we can get, okay, this is 32 kilogram. Okay. Now, next. Okay. Ang sunod na tukwaan kay si Adrian. Okay. So, ang last statement or the first statement kay baliktad man ito ang way. Okay, Carter was 15 kilograms lighter than Adrian. When we say lighter, gaan, diba? So, si Carter, mas gaan siya 15 kilograms kaysa kang Adrian. So, ano itong expected weight ni Adrian ikumpara kang Carter? So, mas bugat si Adrian kaysa kang Carter. Napilit timbang ni Carter, that's 32, diba? Anya, lighter man si Carter o 15 kilograms kaysa kay Adrian. So, kung mas gaan si Carter, dapat kang Adrian bugat kaysa kang Carter. So, ato siyang adan og 15. So, this will become 47 kilogram. Okay, so therefore atong timbang okay. Therefore Adrian's weight is 47 kilograms. Wait, that's weight. Okay. Sige. So therefore, Adrian's weight is 47 kilograms. Okay. Now, we are done with the second example. Okay, for our next problem, so we have a list of numbers has been given. So we have to find the necessary patterns now to complete the reminders of the sequence. So we have 59, 89, 144, 233, and 377. So say next, ano niya? Okay, so this is a very simple man. Okay, this is a 5 na siya. Sequence lang siya. So meaning this is 55. 55 plus 8, 9. So again, that would be 144, diba? And 89 plus 149 plus 144, that would be 233. Okay, now if you add 144 and 233, then we can get 377, diba? Now next is atong pangitaon unsay sunod, diba? So kay sunod na pattern niya. So this would become 233. Okay, 233 plus 377, that would be 610. So muna siya ang next na number. Okay. Okay, to continue with, no, we have this another problem. Okay, now, pangitaon sila to ang edad. Okay, so Jack, Terence, Sharon, and Alex are neighbors. Now, Jack is half as old as Sharon. Sharon is 3 years older than Alex, and Alex and Sharon's ages added together equal 17. Now, Terence is 8. How old is the youngest? Itong gamito na sa ani is what we call working backwards. Okay, so tawag ana is working backwards. Now, sige. So mag-una ta sa pinaka last, which is si Terence. Ihatag niya ang ka-Terence nga edad, which is 8 years old. Diba? Now, unsay sulod? So, the next statement here is we have Alex and Sharon's ages added together equals 17. So, Alex o si Sharon added together, that would be 17. Diba? Okay, next. Naana na po siya. Sharon is 3 years older than Alex. Kasi magulang si Sharon. Now, to get the age of Alex, no, wala pa man tayo other equation na gihatag sa iyaha, di ba? So, gamiton na to ni first na equation nga iyang gihatag. So, ato lang gamiton. Kaya sa may pulos, di ba? Naghatag naman siya, so atong gamiton. Now, Alex, so, expected na to nga ubos ang iyahang edad kaysa kang Sharon. So, we can use this 17, di ba? At muna ilang sum sa duha. Okay? So, 17, kasi magulang gani si Sharon. So, ato na siyang i-minus sa pilagal ilang difference. That is 3 years older. So, minus din na siya of 3. So, meaning, we have 14. 17 minus 3, that's 14. Now, dili pa na siya mao. It's because this 17, dili man na edad ni Sharon. That's the age of the both person. So, we have Alex and Sharon ang edad. So, kailangan pa na to siya i-divide sa 2. Dua man na siya katao. Dua ang tig-iyaan ang edad. So, ito siya i-divide by 2. So, this will become 7 years old. Okay. Now, na tayo edad ni Sharon, ni Alex. Now, itong sunod is ni Sharon. Ano naman tayo edad ni Alex? So, dali na lang din ko itong taon na ito kang Sharon. Now, pwede na ito gamitin ni Sharon is 3 years older than Alex. Diba? Tapos, ingon ba sa dari kung i-add sila duha, that would become 17. So, na naman tayo edad ni Alex, which is 7 years old. So, 3 years naman ilang difference. Kasi magulang gani si Sharon. So, ang ilang age difference, 3. So, ato lang din siyang i-add sa edad ni Alex na 7. Okay, magwang man si Sharon. So, this would become 10 years old. Diba? Okay. Kung ato po siyang i-check, gikan sa iyang second to the last statement, which is kani, no? Okay. Ato i-add daw si Alex at Sharon kung 17 bagyo. So, this is Alex is 7 plus si Sharon na 10. This will become 17. Diba? 7 plus 10, that's 17. Okay. Now, how about si Jack? Okay, pila edad ni Jack? Si Jack, ang yang giingon din here, Jack is half as old as Sharon. So, meaning, kasi magulang si Sharon gihapon. Okay, ang edad ni Jack katunga lang kang Sharon. O, ana siya, Jack is half as old as Sharon. So, na naman ta edad ni Sharon, which is 10, half raman katunga ra siya. So, that will be divided by 2. So, Jack's age would be 5 years old. Okay. Now, to answer the question, how old is the youngest? Of course, asa man di ang gamay ani. Asa man di ang gamay ani. 8, 7, 10. So, therefore, the youngest is Jack, which is 5 years old. So, 5 years old ang youngest. So, this is the answer for that question. Nakuha. No, I believe na masabtan naman siguro siya, no? Pero medyo libog lang siya, but pwede lang gining niya siya balik-balik, no? Kung dili siya masabtan, diba? Pero hopefully, no, makasabot ang tanan. Okay, so this is the next question. No? Joshua is 5 years older than David. Now, Simon is 4 years older than Joshua and 9 years older than David. Simon's and David's ages added together equals to 15. Now, what is the age of Joshua? Taon na sila ang edad. So, no, wala na siya ikahumanan nga pagpangita sa edad sa mga tao nga wala ta kaila. Okay. Okay, so for this problem, so kani siya is gamiton gihapon nato ang working backwards. Now, medyo complicated man gud ang working backwards. Kailangan gyud mo sabton ang each problem para maka-create ka og pattern or way to solve that. Okay, magpataka lang gyud ka og kanang buhat niya di ka kasabot, di ba? So again, always first understand the problem. So baya mo ba ang first step ni Polya, di ba? So we have to understand first the problem. Now, okay, so working backwards, so mag-start ta sa pinakalasan. As you can see here, so pinakalas is we have Simon's and David's ages added together equals to 15. Kung i-add daw sila duha, so we have Simon, okay, Simon plus David added together, that would be 15. Okay, and also the second one is we have, okay, so Joshua, Simon is 4 years older than Joshua and 9 years older than David. So dili sa din sa isa. So si Simon daw is 9 years older than David. So 9 years ang ilang gap ni David and Simon. Pero mas magulang si Simon. So Simon is 9 years older. So maguwang than David. So this is, so si David ato ang pangitaan, no? Okay, mas maguwang pa daw siya. Mas maguwang pa si Simon kaysa kang David. So gamiton na to ni first nga given. Okay, this is the first given. So 15, that's the kanang tawag ni sum of the two, Simon and David. So 15 minusan na to siya og yung maguwang pa man si Simon kaysa kang David og 9 years. So meaning we have our Simon as Simon. So 15 minus 9, that would be 6 years old. But then again, same gihapon sa katong like this one, no? Gagamitan na to aning equation, okay, sa duha ka tawo. Same goes with this one, no? Duha man na ka tawo si 15. So that means divide na to siya og 2, and this would become 3 years old. Okay, now we have the age of David. The next one is that we have to get the age of Simon. Okay, so ito yung ingon gali, pilay gap nila 9 years. So 9 years ang ilang gap. 9 years ang gap nila ni David. Na pila na edad ni David? 3, di ba? So ato lang din siyang i-add. Since si Simon man ang pinakamaguwang kaysa kang ay si Simon ang maguwang compared to David. Okay, so 9 plus 3, that would be 12. So meaning Simon is 12 years old. Okay, now next is si Joshua. Okay, so Joshua is the last. Now ano siya is, si Simon is 4 years older than Joshua. So magulang yapon si Simon og 4. Pwede ra good na to din siya minus sa 4. So pwede na to gamitan si Simon. So 12 minus 4, this will become 8. Diba? So 8 years old. Pwede ra sad pod nga kung pituon nimo na ang ilahang hatag na like for example this one last Joshua is 5 years older than David. Pwede ra sad gamiton nimo ang kang David nga part. Okay, Joshua is 5 years older than David. So we have David which is 3, diba? 3 years old si David. No. Older man siya of 5 years. Sa David, pwede ko 3 plus 5. We just also get 8 years old man. Same lang gihapon ang top, diba? Bali-balihon man nimo kung correct yun ang imong process. Madiretso gid gihapon ka sa correct answer. Now, what is the age of Joshua? So, muna ang question. So, the answer is, of course, 8 years old. So, yes. Okay, next problem we have, okay, tries the sum of a number and 4. Tries the sum of a number and 4 is 18 more than that number. Find that number. Okay, so next is we have tries the sum of a number and 4 is 18 more than that number. Find the number. Palikon. Okay. So, ang iyang ingon, okay, tries sa sum. Okay, sum daw sa x. Okay, sum sa x and 4. So, sum sa x, that's x plus 4, right? So, tries daw ana niya. So, we have to write parentheses. Okay. Tries of the sum of a number and 4 is, okay, that would be equals. Is gani, that is equal sign. So, 18, okay, 18 more than that number. So, that's addition, right? So, 18 x plus 8. Okay. So, kani, i-distribute na to ning 3 sa x and 4. Okay. That's distributive property. Okay. So, 3 times x and 3 times 4. Okay. 3 times x, that would be 3x plus 3 times 4, that would be 12 equals x plus 18. Okay. So, again, kaning x na nito, pwede na to na siya i-transfer dito sa pikas. Diba? So, that would be 3x. Pag i-transfer, ma-change ang sign. So, this will become negative x since this one is positive man. So, pag transfer nyo na dito sa pikas, may mo siyang negative. Okay? Equals, kanina yung 12, ibalhin na to siya sa pikas. No? Combining like terms ba? Okay? So copy lang ka 18. Yeah, kaning 12 ato man siyang i-transfer. This is positive, di ba? Pag-abot dari mo rin siyang negative 12. So this is negative 12. So 3x minus x, that would be 2x is equals to 18 minus 12, that would be 6. And then, of course, the apamantay 2 siyang tapat. So, we have to divide it by 2 both sides. So, 2 divided by 2, that's x na lang mabilin. This is 1x or just x. Okay. Then, 6 divided by 2, that would be 3. So, therefore, the number is 3. Okay. So, I really hope that you learned something, no? Bahalag gamay. But, I know this is just a review man po sa inyong mga natunan during our P1 We have the module 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So kindly please study the lessons, no, kay manggawas ginagapon sa exam. And also practice your comprehension skills. Develop that one kay makatabang din sa inyo, ha. Okay, so if you have any questions, clarifications regarding our topic, no, pwede ra ka ninyo i-chat sa GC, or you can come to my office, no, sa ako mga free time lang pod. No, pwede ra sa itong mag-ask na sa GC na to. Okay? And I hope na walay ma-zero sa exam or maggamay kaayo, di ba? So that's 40% ba sa inyo, ha? That's 40% sa inyong grado. Ako kasi igo. And that will be all, everyone. So thank you so much for watching and listening, no? And have a great day. Bye bye.